When anything like chocolate comes in front of us, or cake comes, or ice cream comes in front of us, our brain gets so tempted to eat it that our circuitry, which managing our fat loss goals, immediately fails. So that circuitry immediately fails there, right there. Then we think one more time that should I eat it or not? Should I eat it or not? And then third time we fail miserably in front of the temptation which is quite in front of us in form of cake, chocolate or ice cream or sweets, Diwali sweets, Navratra sweets, Ganeshotsav sweets, and then we give up. And then we naturally give up very often, which actually resulted in fat gain for many of us. So how to counter this problem? Simple. The simplest solution, which will look completely unbelievable in this regard, is try to take something complementary diet which will nullify the calories put up by the sweets or chocolates intake. So what is that diet? For example, if you eat a chocolate or cake or ice cream or sweets, it will add more calories into your body and more fats into your body. But if you take certain foods which actually melt the fats and burn the fats gained by these foods, then you can generally eat sweets along with those foods which actually melt the fats or burns the fats. So taking both foods in equilibrium will keep your body in equilibrium. Then you can easily eat sweets in moderation and also eat those foods to counteract the fats gain or the lethargy or some unwanted material gained by those sugary foods. So those foods are also available which actually reduce the fats, melts the fats, and those foods actually put negative calories in your body which actually counteract the positive calories given by sugary foods. For more information about it, put your height, then your weight, then your age in comment below and get some free consultation from our end. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep enjoying.